Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Space. In this latest video, I teach you how to make money on Upworks. What is the Upworks platforms? Why we used Upworks? How to create accounts on Upworks. But before start our topic, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon buttons. Due to this, you will be able to see the latest video on time and get benefit from it. Now let's start our topic. First of all, open the Google Chrome and search what is Upwork and how to earn money from Upwork. You will see the different results that related to these questions. How do we get paid by Upwork? Your freelancers will long hours in their works diary and you will be receive one invoice per freelancers each week for your hourly contract on Upwork. Here is how it works. Every Monday, we will invoice you for the previous week's hours based on your freelancer's work diary. How much can a beginner earn from Upwork? According to 2020 freelancers research data, freelancers in the United States earn an average hourly rate of $20. Freelancers working in web, mobile development, marketing, legal, accounting, and other skill services earn an even higher $28 hour average wage. How do I get my first job on Upwork? How to get started on Upwork as a freelancer? Go to upwork.com and click on the sign ups. Sign ups using your work email address, Apple or your Google accounts. Add your personal information. Start your Upwork profile by telling us about the work you do. Highlight your education's backgrounds. Highlight your past work experience. What is Upwork and how does it work? Upwork helps growing business find and work with top-notch talent and agencies. It's simply to get started, just sign up, post your projects, then reviews, proposals, find the right independent contractors or agencies for you. How much are Upwork's fee? You can expect Upwork to may take 20 features for the first $500. You bill a client 10% for total billings with a client between $500 and $10,000, 5% for total billings fee the client and exceeds $10,000. Is Upwork safe? Yes, Upwork is a legitimate freelancing platform. It all started in 2015 when two of the biggest freelancer sites, Odesk and Alliance, team up a rebrand as one mega freelancing platform. Upwork as of the today, Upwork is still one of the largest freelancing platform with an estimated 18 million freelancers. So now our topic is ends. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.